Bum 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 bum. Boop boop doo. Oh, I did want to bump this up a little bit. Uh, bear with me for just a moment, my good people. Um, so how about that? Uh, how about that? Oh, whoops. How about that? I'm like peeking the mic. How about that? All right. What? Let's keep it there. Okay. Good morning, everybody. I'm Alex. This is the Handmade Game Dev stream, no affiliation. We're on day 40, and if you'd like to join me now that I've boosted the levels of the microphone a little bit, um, just go grab your drink of choice. It's always around these parts, it's our morning matcha, and we'll go have a little sip of that, and we'll get right into work. Okay. All right. So last time we left off, we got the Win32 version of the game compiling once again. Pretty fantastic. However, we hit we hit some sort of access violation, null pointer. You know the type of thing. Never any good. So we're gonna need to actually go step through this thing and see where this the violation came from. Um, oh my, oh my. Uh, are you for real? So it appears to be pretty freaking fast and all right, how about this? Okay, so we're at game init. Game init should just work. Go here. Why am I stepping through this assembly? There we go. So there we go. DX11 create goes off without a hitch. Game load asset. So this would be the one where I'd be concerned. Probably because we totally screwed some stuff up here. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought it would be. That the font atlas would be wrong or something. Um, if def 132. So we look at this. Um, yeah, this totally did not load here. This one didn't load either. So why didn't it hit that condition? Um, that's a little odd. It's a little odd, don't you think? Why would that get compiled out? Um, is it because it didn't see either control flow? Because neither Win32 is not defined here because this is not including the any Windows headers. I don't think so. Because in the types header there should be all of the Windows headers, right? Yeah. So, well, that would be wrong. That would totally do it. So let's try stopping that. And we will try that again. Let's just look because we already had this bug a couple times. So if we look around, yeah, like that one we want to fix. That one. Oh, maybe here's the thing. I totally forgot. I thought that it was supposed to be like underscore 132 preprocessor. Uh, we Stack Overflow this. Find by the SDK or build environment. Okay, so it is just underscore 132. Um, okay. Uh, all right. So let's use that one then. If it says so, um, okay. So I'll do. Okay. So we did that. Hopefully that fixes some of our like stupid crap going on. Uh interesting. Interesting. Okay. So we have some. Yeah, that actually makes sense because some of these compile errors actually we did see before, but they all just like disappeared. It must have been that yeah we had the wrong stupid preprocessor thing defined, and it was and remove all that crap. Also, we shouldn't have that. That's incorrect. Uh, we should not have that. Also, this one is we're not actually using that on Windows. We are using C++11 on Mac. On Windows, we're using 20. So I think I can just change it because I'm pretty sure that is a subset of the version, the Visual Studio 2022 package should support C++11 in that compiler. But if not, we'll bump that back. Just make sure. Let's recompile actually. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work at all. Um, really doesn't support it. Do I need to separately install that? Oh, I bet I do. Um, bet I do because it's going to be one of like the packages in here that I need to do. That is not just the default one. Because what do I get with this one? Um, hard to say. Hard to say. Uh, yeah, we don't want any of this bull hockey. We may want this Clang tools thing. Can't hurt. It kind of. Oh my god, that's like 7 GB. You know what? F that. Uh, Windows XP support. Oh my god. I'm just looking for like C++11 here, dude. Where where do you think I could find that? I suppose nowhere. Well, that's really annoying. I don't want to play that game right now, so we'll make this 20 again. Uh, and I suppose we will just have to try to re-standardize on 20 whenever we go back to the Mac here and hope that it just works. Um, a little annoying because that's a lot more junk than we wanted to really be pulling in, but oh well. Definitely our compile times are a little longer too. So, all right, so we'll go look at OS interface, and now we should see a bunch of problemos. We do see that that is correct in popping up the correct version of that path. which is good. Um, Win32 update doesn't. What do you mean not defined? Win32 update identifier not found. What do you mean identifier not found? It's right there. It could be. This is now. WinMain could be dependent on OS interface now, I guess. Uh, no, it's right there. Um, it's kind of odd. Uh, why do you think that would be? Why do you think that would be indeed? I'm going to assume something else in that file is breaking it. For now. Okay, so let's look at what at least the LSP is finding. So yeah, I definitely think I broke this somehow. This all kind of seems wrong here. Um, let's see. Let's see. Um, we're gonna look at the change set I made to add the Mac version of that, because that's certainly where I broke this thing. Um, mm, mm, mm. Da, 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 da. Fonts are being drawn. Um, let's see. Where would that be? What? So where did this flag supposed to come from? I have no idea. I totally don't remember this part of the code. Um, hmm, hmm. That is where, I mean, it looks like, right? Um, I did used to have that instead. Okay. So I guess I think what happened was I got rid of the flags here because I just deleted the other um APIs. So I don't think hmm, uh hmm, that might be broken. Um, I'll look at this version of the file. Yeah, because this is like what we have right now, which is really not working. So we should look one commit before that. file F handle. Okay. So actually these, what is buffer supposed to be? Not sure. Couldn't tell you. But yeah, this is certainly why we were crashing is uh I guess like that something not right. We were definitely having something screwy there. Um let's see. I kind of even just want to see the version of this before I started doing any Mac stuff. So we'll look like here. Because it's all gonna be pretty screwed up. Um so I think we need this. I think we need to grab that back. We can try without it. It's just probably not gonna work. Why did I to do get rid of OS read entire file? Uh, that I don't know. That I just simply don't know, ladies and gentlemen. Simply do not recall. Um, okay, so we will grab that one again. Result read file. Buffer? So, yeah, because we need to be doing something there. Um, yeah, so because I combined these two calls here. So how did I change this? Oh, so I made result data the buffer. Okay. Okay, so let's try that. Let's see. Yes, we want to get the handle. We'll do the file size, just make sure it's good. Um, oh, actually, we are already allocating that. So we should just be doing this. Bytes to read. This should be alt count. I'm a little unclear on. Oh, whoops. What? What exactly that is supposed to be doing? Number of bytes read. Number of bytes to read. Number of bytes read. Um. Read. I'm a little confused why I have that. Where's that supposed to go? Let's just get rid of it. No. Oh, because I need to pass in the size. If it's this. Okay. So we will, yeah, if it's not okay, we'll just deallocate. It's fine. Let's leave it like that. So if it is not good, we probably want to close the handle, right? Um, yeah, we probably just want to be closing the handle here. At the end as well. File close. Close file. No, I have it here somewhere. Do you think? Do you think that's possible? To close the file handle? Close handle F. That would do it. Oh, we kind of don't want to do that. Oops. Okay, so that all looks kind of okay to me. Maybe. Um, um, this is probably wrong because we definitely need to open the A handle to the thing. Um, let's do right. Yes. Create file W. Should do file share right, I would assume. Where is right file? Um, why why was this API written so differently? Um, it doesn't matter. It's okay. That's to write to standard out. Oh, that would do it. Um, hmm, hmm. You know what? It's probably not in here. I probably deleted it because I wasn't using it yet. But that's okay. Uh, because we're just should be doing stuff like that. And then you know, we do that. Yes. Okay, so we still cannot find Win32 update somehow. That's a little odd. Why do you think that is? Um, because we are including that one directly. It could be now just like the way we've ordered all the includes. There's some sort of little loop here that is screwing it up. Otherwise, like, why? What is the damage here? What is the problem? Hmm. I simply do not know. I simply couldn't tell you. Because it works in Mac like this, but also we are doing from the header, so we should be able to find that stuff. What else was what other error do we have in graphics? Graphics 90. So that tells me something. Expected expression. Uh, so do. If not initial data, why is it not like that? I don't understand. It still doesn't. Yeah, all of that crap came back. Uh, hmm. I don't think we're using this API anywhere. Yeah, that's why I had that commented out. There must be something else stupid, like, in here somewhere that is breaking us. Hmm, what do you suppose it could be? What do you suppose it could be indeed? Definitely all this like resize stuff seems wrong to me now. Um, hmm. Expected expression. Yeah, there's got to be some like creepy thing that is not right here because of the preprocessor magic. Um, I'm still not quite sure what the issue is there. Um, if not initial data, then go into here, do all your stuff. That's correct. If not initial data at this point, do all the oh look at that. That's totally effed up. Um, what the hell? Why is that like that? Um, yeah, that would totally be breaking everything. So let's see what that's supposed to be. Um, and where is this? This is in graphics init image. So we should look right here. Aha. Haha. That's totally been. It's totally not what I wanted. Aha. Aha. There we go. Okay. Excellent. All right. That fixed all of that. Now, what is the story here? Why can we not find Win32 update? And then we should try fixing the window resizing because it's just not right. Um, 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 it kind of stinks if I have to if I do have to make this header. So then I have to pull in a bunch of just junk that I don't want to. But I think I have to. Uh, if we're stuck in some kind of stupid stupid loop here where we just can't find it. If that is really the case, then um, because like, why would it not be able to find this thing? Um, yeah, I mean, it's just simply is probably like some stupid loop here. If we look at like the Mac one, Mac is including like all that same crap. But in here is some of this stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's probably just that. So we'll do that. We'll just make a header for it. Okay. I think that's the only thing we need to expose there. Well, we probably need to expose some more stuff because if that breaks, then it's like no way the rest of this stuff is gonna be just fine, right? Uh, and the rest of that stuff was all just fine, so that's good. Um, all right. Okay, so here we go. Access violation. Where's our call stack? So let's see. So we got into load the font from disk again. Um, okay, so we're right here. ETF data. Um, um, yeah, so it seems that that did not really work. Yeah, this bitmap was allocated correctly. This stuff was all done, but yeah, we did not actually do the file read. So, uh, let's try to fix that. So, let's see, create file W. Invalid handle value. Okay. So why do you think that would be? Why do you think that would be indeed? Um, well, also I pulled that Arial just like into my resources folder too. So I could just be using this one. Let's do that first before we screw around a whole terribly lot more. Um, Pretty sure that's where it was. Um, Arial.ttf. Yes, yes. Okay, so failed again. Failed again definitely because this did not work. Um, so is it maybe it's not supposed to be that? wide. Um, hmm. That that certainly looks like my path in there. That certainly looks like the path indeed. Um, and and also, it's not failing on this is the second one. So the load image from disk is just fine. That is a little odd. It's a little odd because that should be hitting the same control flow there. But unfortunately, I think we're out of time here for today. This has got to be, we'll have to come back to it another time. This is like, I wonder how many times I've had to fix this path breaking somehow. It's kind of crazy. But anyway, let's see. Got fully compiling fixed macros. Um, load font. Okay, so thank you all very much for watching. I hope that you have a fantastic, excuse me, a fantastic rest of your day. I'm gonna be heading off to work now. And I'll see you back here tomorrow, where hopefully we'll be another step closer to having things work again on Windows, which would be so awesome. And then from there, the universe. Bye for now.